Okay, here's how Brian's going to do it. We're going to take her in, and then I'm going to come on in. You're right there. Stuff her in there, and then I'll stuff it down with them. I think we can get all of it in there in one load. I got the pole, I'll poke it in. You got the next load. And that's been sitting out there in the rain, so we put that Lysol in there to clean it up, but it's been soaking. And you need, you're flush, you're kind of out, you're down at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And then I owe him a cup of coffee, and he hasn't even had his morning coffee yet. This is dangerous. I don't mix Clorox with that because on the directions, that's that strong Lysol. It's not Pine Sol, it's Lysol. You can't be putting Clorox in it. All right, are you happy with what we're doing?
Yes.
All right, you're the man, buddy. I'll call you, I'll get your coffee, and then we get squared away, okay?
All right.
You have a seat.